Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can create these type of text effect in Adobe Firefly. In the end I will teach you how you can change your picture from this to this. So watch till end. In the home page you have three options. Here you have text to image, generative, fill and text effect. So in this video I will cover this text effect. So simply click on text effect. Now here you can see different text created by this Adobe Firefly. Here when you will click on any letter you can see the letter prompt and you can try the prompt, but here I will teach you how you can do by yourself. So here you have the option here in the bottom where you can enter the text, and on the other side you have to describe what type of design you want. So here I will just write ABC for example, and here for description here you have to choose what type of style you want. So here you can see different styles and you can get inspiration from them. Now here you can see this letter A with some bread texture. Maybe here they have written toasted bread. Similarly here you can choose any style. So I'm writing here fresh red roses, and after writing the prompt you have to click on generate. Then you have to wait for more than 1 minute, and now our text has been generated. Here you can see that we have 4 options and you can choose whatever fits you best. Here if we see on the right, here you have different things. Here you have this sample prompts where you can see different samples, and here you have this match shape as well, and you have this font. Now if we go to the sample, and here you can see different samples, you can see roses, shades, different things. And similarly we have here match shape where you can see medium, tight and loose. Here you have to choose, like if you want a loose prompt to come out of your letters or you want a tight one in the letters. Here I have chosen loose to show you how it works. Now here you can see that our roses are coming out of the letters. That's how the loose works. And here you can go with tight. In tight you can see all the prompt roses fit in your letters. That's how it works. And similarly here you have different font size. You can see all the sizes here. Here you can see that no background has been applied. Here you can apply any background to your picture. Like if we go and if we choose here pink, now you can see that a background has been applied, and similarly you can also remove the background from here anytime. Now let's try one more. Here I have written firefly, jungle, vine and bird. Now you can see that again we have 4 options and you can select from them. You can see here for match shape I have chosen here medium, and you can see that even in medium also some of the prompt is coming out. If you don't want the prompt to come out of your text, then you can choose here tight, because in tight there will be no such thing. Now let me go and change the prompt style here. Now here you can see that in the prompt style now I have chosen red fur. You can see that how well it turned out. Similarly you can try it in the loose version, you can see that, and you can try it in the tight as well. Here I have opened the Illustrator and I have written the counting. Now I will ungroup them and I will arrange them randomly. Here you can see that how it turned out. Now here our pattern has been created. Now I will go to file, and here I will go to export, and I will export this image to my file. So here I have opened the Adobe Firefly, and here I have commanded for a glossy golden background. You can see that here the pattern has been created. Now here you can see how it looks. Here I will go to composition, and here I will add a reference picture. Now here after adding the reference picture you can see how it turned out. Here we have 4 options. You can select for any of these 4 options. And that's how you can create a text effect in Adobe Firefly. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.